Come test drive the 2021 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.